If a police officer says, "This is a rule," you say, "This is my right," and the court says, "This is against the law." Then what is the real difference? Today, I'll explain the difference between law, rule, and right in the simplest way possible with real-life examples. We hear these words every day, but most people don't clearly understand how they are different. Let's start with law. A law is an official system created by the government to maintain order and discipline in society. Law applies equally to everyone, whether you are an ordinary citizen or a powerful person. For example, cheating is a crime. That is a law. Someone cheats, the police can take action, and the court can punish them. Now, let's talk about rules. Rules are the practical instructions that help us follow the law. Law tells us what is right and what is wrong, but rules explain how to follow the law. For example, the law says public safety is important. The rules say wear a helmet, don't break traffic signals, and follow the speed limit. Wearing a helmet is not a law by itself. It is a rule. If you break a rule, you usually pay a fine, not go directly to jail. Now let's understand rights. A right is a legal power given to protect you. Rights protect citizens, even from the government and the system. You have the right to speak freely. You have the right to equality. And the police cannot arrest you without a valid reason that is also your right. This is very important to remember. Laws and rules are made by the government, but rights stand above the government. Now, let's simplify everything. Law is the system. Rules are the instructions. Rights are your protection. Law tells you what is illegal. Rules tell you how to follow the law. Rights tell you what you deserve. If the police arrest you without reason, the law defines the limits of arrest. Rules define the procedure, and your rights protect you. So remember, law means order. Rule means guidance. Right means protection. When you know your rights, no one can easily take advantage of you. If you want to understand laws in a simple and practical way, subscribe to the channel.